Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are now on page 14 of our lessons, and in this lesson it is going to introduce you to two fathas, two kasras, and two dhammas. And in the Arabic language these are called fathatayn, kasratayn, dhammatayn, which just means two of them. This, instead of a as it would in a fatha, instead makes a an sound. This makes, instead of a e, because there's two of them, makes a in sound. And this one, two of them, instead of a u, makes a un sound. So essentially you're taking a fatha and adding like an n sound to it, and a kasra and adding an n sound to it, or a dhamma and adding an n sound to it, or noon. So it would be an, in, un. An, in, un. And as previously, it first starts with teaching the fathatayn, which we're going to start from here. So here we go. I feel that these are best learned by just reading them across, okay? So, the first one. An, ban, tan, than, jan, han, khan, dan, then, run, zen, san, shun, sun, dun, tun, dhan, an, ghan, fan, qan, kan, lan, man, nan, wan, han, an, yan. Exercises on the bottom. A, ba, dan. The alif that follows here are not read. You would just read the first part. A, ba, dan. Ra, gha, dan. Ta, ba, qan. Ja, na, fan. Ma, li, kan. Ma, tha, lan. I, na, ban. Qa, sa, san. La, I, ban. Tha, ma, nan. A, si, fan. Qa, da, ran. La, ba, nan. Ka, dhi, ban. Sha, ta, tan. Ku, fu, wan. Lu, ba, dan. Su, ru, ran. Hu, zu, wan. Ru, su, lan. علاقة باقرة حسنة ناخرة